federal government plans to transfer the facility over to the province. But as Maya Johnson explains, some argue the change comes at the expense of the veterans.
This hospital is a center of excellence.
Michael Blaze is a Canadian veteran, no longer at war, but still fighting a battle.
We've had veterans who fought in World War II. That's why we're here today. We're standing for those veterans. Those are the people that are residents at St. Anne's.
Blaze and these other protesters are worried about the future of St. Anne's Hospital, the only remaining veterans hospital in Canada. The facility will soon be transferred from the federal government to the province. The occupation rate at the hospital is declining, so the idea is to open vacant beds to the general public. Administrative powers would be handed over to the Regional Health Board. Unions representing the workers here say that's a bad idea.
It's really important for us to keep our unique entity. We don't want to be under a C3S in the West Island.
They argue the quality of services for vets would decline, in part because the regular staff would be forced to rotate to other West Island facilities.
This creates a problem wherein the residents suffer because the residents have become accustomed to them. They're not workers to them. This is their home.
A spokesperson for the Minister of Veterans Affairs issued this statement. Under no circumstances will we compromise on the level of care for our veterans. The two following conditions are non-negotiable for Minister Blaney. Veterans will continue to have priority access and they will continue to receive services in both official languages. But the MP for Lac St. Louis doesn't buy it and says the federal government shouldn't be handing the hospital over to Quebec.
So I think it needs to put its thinking cap on and inject some creativity into dealing with the hospital's future.
A future that for the moment remains uncertain. Maya Johnson, CTV News.
McGill University released its report today on the aftermath of a violent student protest